Coding University of SDWSr. Week Introduction to Web Development. 1. Overview of web technologies. Web development is the process of creating websites and web applications that run on the internet. IT encompasses front-end development, what users see and interact with. Back-end development, the server-side logic and database operations. HTML, hypertext markup language. Add image, is the backbone of any web page. It defines the structure and layout by using elements like headings, paragraphs, links, and images. The modern web operates through a client-server model, where browsers, clients, request resources from servers using protocols like HTTP/HTTPS. Websites are composed of files such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and assets like images and videos, which are delivered to the browser. Technologies like content delivery networks, CDNs, and APIs also play a role in enhancing website performance and functionality. Key web technologies include HTML, which defines the structure of web pages, CSS, which handles the design and layout, and JavaScript, which makes the pages interactive. Additional tools like frameworks, libraries, and databases work alongside these core technologies to build dynamic, responsive, and scalable applications. Setting up a development environment. Choosing the right tools is essential for a smooth development experience. Popular text editors like Visual Studio Code offer features like syntax highlighting, extension, and integrated terminals that boost productivity. Alternative editors like Sublime Text or Atom provide similar functionality, catering to different preferences and workflows. Modern browsers like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox come with built-in developers tools, which allow developers to inspect HTML, debug JavaScript, and experiment with CSS styles in real time. These tools are invaluable for identifying and resolving issues during development. Setting up a basic project involves creating a dedicated folder for your files, writing your first HTML document, and viewing it in the browser. This initial step helps familiarize you with the workflow of creating, saving, and testing your code. For version control, Git and platform like GitHub can be introduced, enabling collaboration and safe experimentation with code changes. Week 2. Getting started with HTML. Introduction to HTML. HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the foundation of web development. It is used to structure and organize content on the web. Understanding HTML allows developers to create web pages that display text, images, links, and other media in a structured manner. The main idea behind HTML is to use tags, also called elements, enclosed in angle brackets, e.g. tag. Each tag serves a specific purpose, such as defining headings, creating lists, or embedding images. Learning the basics of these tags is crucial for creating functional web pages. HTML is constantly evolving, with HTML5 being the latest version. HTML5 introduced semantic elements like article/article, section/section, footer/footer, which help in creating more meaningful and accessible web pages. Basic structure of an HTML document. An HTML document has standard structure that all web pages follow. It starts with a doctype HTML declaration, which tells the browser to render the page using the latest HTML stand. The basic structure looks like this. HTML, copy code, doctype HTML, HTML lang equals n, meta charset equals UTF-8, meta name equals viewport, content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0, title my first web page, /title, /head, bot, content goes here, /body, /HTML, asterisk. The head section contains metadata, such as the page title, character encoding, and linked style sheets or scripts.